Hello, I'm Dr. Prasad Pudiyela, working as professor at the Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore, Dakshina Kannada, Karnataka. So the admission season for various engineering courses as well as the architecture course, it is upon us, and many parents and students are wondering which courses to choose. So this video, it will explore the future job opportunities, that is after 2028, because the admission season now it is for 2024-2025. So the job opportunities after 4 years or after 5 years in case of architecture for various engineering as well as the architecture field. So my predictions, and this is not my prediction as such, it's not an astronomy, based on the current job scenario as well as with the understanding with the present technological advancements, or than what I explaining, more job opportunities will be there for an engineer or a architecture student. So one reason to choose the engineering, it is the strong return of investment compared to the other courses. The cost, the effective cost of 4 years of education, it can be justified by the earning potential after the graduation. So even with the need for a student loan in some cases. So if you want to know more about this type of courses at Srinivas Institute of Technology mainly, because I am working there, you can come there and you can meet me, or you can contact me over the phone number which is given here, 797-505-4865. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನನಗೆ കോൾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 797-505-4865. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും കൂടുതൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മലയാളത്തിലും എന്നോട് സംസാരിക്കാം, എനിക്ക് മലയാളം അറിയാം. 797-505-4865 ആണ് എൻ്റെ फ़ोन नंबर. अगर आपको कुछ इसके बारे में जानकारी जाना हो तो मुझे फ़ोन कर सकते हैं. मेरा नंबर तभी भी वही है, 797-505-4865. So let's move on to the different various engineering fields at my institution mainly. Okay, so anyhow about the courses, it will be same for all institutions, but I'm talking about my engineering college where I am working as a professor. Okay, so we'll start with the AE, aeronautical engineering. I'm taking in the alphabetical order. We have many courses at our institution as mentioned in this slide. We have AE, aeronautical engineering, AU, automobile engineering, AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI and DS, artificial intelligence and data science, CSE, computer science and engineering, CS and BS, computer science and business system, CSD, computer science and design, ECE, electronics and communication engineering, EEE, electrical and electronics engineering, ISE, information science and engineering, ME, mechanical engineering, MR, marine engineering, and Bachelor of Architecture. Okay, so first one, that is AE, aeronautical engineering. I'll not go in depth about, just read out what are the possible opportunities. The core aeronautical engineering roles like aerodynamic engineer, propulsion engineer, structure engineer, flight dynamics engineer, avionics engineer, system engineer. Then there are emerging fields which comes after 4 years, like urban air mobility, UAM engineer, autonomous system engineer, spacecraft engineer. Then there are related fields of aeronautical engineering like aerospace engineering research, aerospace research engineer, manufacturing engineer, technical sales engineer. Then move on to the automobile engineering sector. Automobile engineering sector, we have the traditional automobile engineering roles like powertrain engineer, body in white engineer, safety engineer, quality control engineer, manufacturing engineer. Then the emerging fields in automobile engineering are like the electrical vehicle, EV engineering, the autonomous vehicle, AV engineering, the connected car engineering, lightweight materials engineering. Related fields like automotive research engineer, a technical sales engineer, product design engineer. Then move on to AI and ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. The core AI and ML roles are like machine learning engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing engineer, robotics engineer, AI research scientist, which are the core roles of AI and ML. Evolving AI and ML fields are like explainable engineer, generative AI engineer, reinforcement learning engineer, quantum machine learning engineering. Then some of the specialized roles in AI and ML, integrated roles like healthcare AI engineer, financial AI engineer, supply chain AI engineer, cybersecurity AI engineer. Then comes the AI and DS, artificial intelligence and data science. The core AI and ML role. So again, they will be studying the same subjects like AI and machine learners syllabus. So machine learning engineers, deep learning engineers, which is a subset of AI, also a subset of a machine learning. The computer vision engineer, the natural language processing engineer, robotics engineer, AI research scientist. Evolving fields like explainable AI, generative AI, reinforcement learning engineer, quantum machine learning engineer. So common job opportunities are there for both AI and AI ML and AI DS. Especially they have data scientist role, data analyst role, data engineering job opportunities. Then computer science and engineering. Computer science and engineering, the core software engineering roles like software engineer, the full stack developer, system software engineers. And there are emerging fields like blockchain engineering, cloud engineering, uh, develops engineering, and robotics engineering, cyber security engineering. Then comes to computer science and business system. Computer science and business system focuses on the business and technology integration like enterprise application engineer, business analyst, IT project manager, business system analyst, and data analyst. And with the emerging fields in this field of business and intelligence analyst, digital transformation specialist, cyber security analyst. Then for computer science and designers, which combines the programming skills, they can become a user interface or user experience, UI and UX designer. They can become the front end developer. They can become the web designers. They can become the user interface developers, or they can become user experience researcher. The emerging fields of computer science and design field, bachelor graduates are like interaction designers. They can become user experience writers, virtual reality or augmented reality developers. Then comes the electronics and communication engineering, ECE. The core ECE fields are electronics design engineer, communication system engineer, signal processing engineer, embedded system engineers, VLSI design engineer, and radio frequency engineer. Emerging fields are like IoT, Internet of Things engineering, artificial intelligence hardware engineer, robotics engineers with electronics focus, biomedical electronics engineering. Related fields are telecommunication engineering, control system engineering, instrumentation and measurement engineering, software engineering with the ECE background, data scientist with the ECE background. Then for electrical and electronics engineering, triply, the core electrical and electronic engineering roles are like power engineering, in which power system engineering and power electronics engineering, control system engineering, in which control system engineering and instrumentation and measurement engineering, electronics engineering, that is as mentioned in ECE, electronic design engineer, then embedded system engineering. Emerging fields are the renewable energy engineering, smart grid engineering, electric vehicle engineering, Internet of Things engineering with focus on electrical system, and robotics engineering with the focus on electrical systems. Then the related fields of EEE are building automation engineering, mechatronics engineering, telecommunication engineering, software engineering, data scientist with focus on electrical and electronics background. Now comes the information science and engineering. Information science and engineering, the core roles are like software engineer, database administrators, information security analyst, network engineers, data analyst with a strong information system background. And the emerging fields of ISE are like big data engineer, cloud architecture, data scientist, blockchain engineer, and IoT, architect. Specialized areas are information retrieval specialist, digital forensic analyst, information system security engineering, knowledge management specialist. Additional consideration for ISE graduates, like they can also become user experience designer with a focus on the information architecture. They can become business analyst with an understanding of information system. Now mechanical engineering. The core mechanical engineering roles are like a product design engineer, manufacturing engineer, machine design engineer, thermal or fluid system engineer, mechatronic engineering. Emerging fields are robotic engineering with a mechanical focus, additive manufacturing engineer, biomedical engineer with mechanical focus, nanotechnology engineering, autonomous vehicle engineering with the mechanical focus. Then specialized industry based roles are like aerospace engineer with a mechanical focus, automotive engineer with a mechanical focus, energy engineer with a mechanical focus. Additional consideration for mechanical engineer in 2028 are like mechanical engineering specialization in sustainable design, data analyst or data scientist with a mechanical engineering background. Then comes the marine engineering. Marine engineering, the traditional existing roles are shipboard engineering, the marine surveyor, the naval architecture with a strong marine engineering background. And the emerging fields are like offshore wind engineer, marine robotic engineer, ocean energy engineer, autonomous ship engineer. These are the emerging fields of marine engineering in 2028 and so on. And marine renewable energy projects manager, they can become a specialized role in that, or they can become maritime safety engineer. Additional consideration like marine engineers with a focus on sustainable technology, data analyst or data scientist with a marine engineering background. Now comes the architecture, B.Arch or Bachelor of Architecture. The traditional architecture, as everyone knows, they can become a licensed architect, they can become a project architect, they can become a design architect, they can become a building information modeling specialist. In addition to that, they can become a sustainable design architect, they can become a computational design architect, building envelope specialist, then accessibility specialist. Specialized roles, they can become a landscape architect with a strong understanding of architectural principles, urban designer with an architectural background, historic preservation artist or architect, they can become. Additional consideration like take up the roles of architectural technologist or draftsperson, interior designer with a strong understanding of architectural space, facility manager with an architectural background, as well as data analyst or data scientist with a architectural background. So that's about different courses at my institution where I am presently working, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangaluru. If you have any queries, doubts, you can clarify, you can contact me, you can come and meet me at my institution during working hours. Contact me on my phone number 797-505-4865. Don't forget to forward this video to others, so they can come with a rough background idea of about the various courses. Then when you come here, we'll give the detailed explanation of each courses. We'll take you to different departments, libraries, laboratories, and other placement department, and to the principal's chamber, or wherever you want to meet. We'll take you. We'll explain in detail, and we'll we'll give all the detailed explanation whatever you needed before you choose that particular field of your Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Architecture. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do subscribe once. If you are subscribed, don't leave. Keep it continuing. Please forward this video to others. Once again, thank you very much.